Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV. As y'all can see, I'm giving y'all an outside view right now. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to start all my POVs off like this, showing the outside of the whip. You know what I'm saying? Park up somewhere and just show y'all for all the new people and just people in general that just like to see the outside of the car, because y'all really don't see the outside of the car like that. But as y'all can see, this side better. I don't know why I ain't come over here. But as y'all can see, man, this is Olivia. I call my car Olivia, you know what I'm saying? Don't ask me why. I just like using female names, older female names to be exact. But y'all see, man, you know, a little triple nickel. Nothing too crazy. Black bad. My car dirty right now, so, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still showing y'all front splitter. This is carbon fiber, by the way. You know, a lot of y'all be getting it mixed up, you know what I'm saying? This is carbon fiber. It's not your regular black. Hence the yellow I created myself. There's not no yellow you can just find. I had to mix different yellows together to make that tone of yellow, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I see the brakes. Yellow too, you know what I'm saying? 5-spoke. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. But y'all let me know if y'all want me to start the video off like this from now on, from the outside, you know what I'm saying? Then go proceed to the inside. But like I always say, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. I don't know if I had my hand over the mic, I hope not. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. But we finna hit y'all with the remote start. I'll go to the side so y'all can hear it. Oh yeah, and I got, you know, blacked out side markers if y'all ain't see it. You know what I'm saying? But hold up, let me get it right. Here we go. Let me know, man. She sound good enough or what? That's a warm start, by the way. You know what I'm saying? A warm start. That is indeed a warm start, boy. Let me get y'all boy right, man. Get y'all boy right. I'm probably gonna stick to that red. I don't know, red is like a universal color and it matches the car, the interior with the lights. But yeah, man, if y'all haven't read the title already, this is me teaching y'all, you know what I'm saying? Or trying to show y'all, put y'all on game. How to make your car, you know what I'm saying? Do crazy pops, Scatpack SRTs. This work for Hellcats, some Hemis, but all Hemis can't really do it. Really for Scats, you know, because of the motor and all that, but. You know what I'm saying? If you can do it, you can do it. But this is for all my Scatpack and Hellcat boys, you know what I'm saying? If you're watching. Which one y'all like better? I know y'all don't care about it being too bright, but at the same time, it looks smooth like that. Should I turn the stars on, man? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see how it look. It don't make too much of a difference. Now, if I turn the brightness up on them, you know what I'm saying? I can see the little twinkle. You feel me? But yeah, hold on, man. Finna show y'all boy how to really just make a car pop, man. That white go crazy. Y'all can't tell me y'all like that white, bro. That white go dumb. But I guess I have it on. I don't know. I guess I have it on. Yeah. It really ain't making too much of a difference up here. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make y'all car pop, man. My bad for rambling. I know a lot of y'all probably skipped through that part. But yeah. Oh, look at that, boy. Thought I had broke something. put that thing in custom mode, man. Put in a little custom mode. I guess I'll turn the pages on for y'all so I can have something to look at. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all really care what the screen be on for real, but sometimes you make it a little more entertaining. You got something to look at moving or whatever. But yeah, man. Oh, and teach our boy how to make your wheel pop. You know what I'm saying? I can do it right now in the parking lot, really. Make it pop and low-key shoot flame. It's kind of hard to hear it on camera though, so when I get ready to do it, I ain't gonna really talk for real, but when I'm not doing it, I'm gonna talk, or if I need to just let y'all know what's going on. But it's pretty much simple, man. Very, very, very much simple. You know? You just gotta find a sweet spot of your whip. And once you find that sweet spot of your whip, you know what I'm saying, you're good. First of all, you gotta do it in manual. You don't have to, or a paddle shift mode or something. See? Y'all hear that? Hold on, man. I'm gonna do it in a second. I know y'all heard something on, but listen. A little bit of the pop. I gotta let the car warm up a little bit too. The transmission gotta get warm. But yeah, man. Like real talk, man. Like it's a sweet spot. It's really a sweet spot for me. It's 3,000 RPM for me. You know what I'm saying? Just putting y'all on game. Everybody come and be a little different, but mine. You know what I'm saying? About 3,000. You heard it? Hey. I'm gonna put it in manual. It keeps shifting out of manual, bro. I be being quiet so I can see y'all can hear. I know it's hard to hear it on the camera. But like, you know what I'm saying? For me, it's from 3,000 to 2,000 RPM. You let it you just go up a little bit and let out the gas. You know what I'm saying? Look at this guy. You just hit the gas, you know what I'm saying, and let off of it. You feel me? And let it flutter down. But with certain speeds, it's different. You know what I'm saying? So it just depends. Sometimes you can do second gear, but third gear usually be the best, but you know what I'm saying, for this road with the second. They gotta get warmed up, bro. It's trying. She trying, bro. But she usually do it just like it's cool outside. I ain't gonna cap. When it's cool outside, that actually help. But sometimes my car just ain't warm enough. Like your transmission gotta be warm enough. So like that mug at 179. They got like this when your transmission really get hot. Like you been driving your car all day. Type beat. Trying to show y'all, boy. Really, you don't be that hard. She acting shy, man. She don't be acting like that, you know what I'm saying, on the camera. Oh, boy. I see 12, my dumb ass. 12 probably didn't even hit me. Let me go ahead and bust a turn, man. I ain't got time, cuz. I ain't got time. I don't even know where I'm really going for real. All these one-ways. I'm trying to get right, man. The video look like it's finna be a fail right now. I don't know why Olivia acting like that, man. Olivia just acting like, I don't know, man. I forgot I should have gotten that left lane. I'm in the turn. Damn. Yeah, car crew, man. I'm trying to show y'all about to make it pop. But I'm gonna explain it anyway, cause I can't do it, but it's still easy. You know what I'm saying? You find a sweet spot. My sweet spot about 3,000 RPM. You know what I'm saying? You get about 3,000 RPM. Go back down. You feel me? And let it go down by itself to 2,000. Just play in that range. You feel me? And just keep hitting it. Sometimes you gotta like, you may have to hit the gas kind of hard for it to do it, or you just slowly just roll into it like. Sometimes you gotta go past 3,000 a little bit. Shy, boy, that's crazy. It's like she barely want to do it, bro. She do it all the time, bro. I don't know why Olivia not popping, bro. That's crazy. But Olivia really folding for the video card crew. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to title this something else. It was a fail, bro. I'm still gonna post it, cause you know what I'm saying, we posting every day. But, bro, Olivia, you gonna do me like that? That's crazy, shawty. That is crazy. As soon as I turn the camera off, she gonna be popping like hell. I don't understand, bro. Do I gotta cut up real quick? Like, is that what it is? Do I gotta cut up for you to? That might be what I gotta do, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. That might be what I gotta do. I don't know why, but it might just be. Feel like sure want to get right, man. Problem is, I don't know what's going on, man. It's crazy though. I'm gonna turn it from how to pop to cutting up through the trenches. Let's see we're in the trenches, man. We're in the hood with it, man. It's a real deal hood right here, man. I know where I'm at now. I would be over there, bitch. But yeah, I was trying to teach you how to make the car pop. But man, basically, man, you just let off the gas, man, around about 3,000 RPM. You know what I'm saying? Let the car do its thing. I would show y'all, but I don't know why not let me do it. Crazy. Somebody going crazy. Y'all can't tell me Olivia don't sound crazy though. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. It's a fail, man. I'll try another time. I don't know why she ain't popping, bro. Like, I get it cool. I don't know. Everybody like, well, who the hell, boy? There's niggas on the porch over there. Cuz looking like, boy, god damn. But close that hot, stop all that hot shit, man. Like, hell no, man, I'm making a video, man. Dude standing in the street pointing at me like, yes sir, turn me up. I said, all right. I got you, playboy. Yeah, man, it was an epic fail, though, man. I'm trying to see how Olivia ain't popping, bro. She do it all the time. Like, she is not popping at all, bro. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy, Olivia, bro. I can't believe she folded like that, man. Cari, y'all see me trying, bro. I'm not tripping, bro. She do it when she want to, but, like, that's how you do it, like, any other time. But right now, like, she just not trying to get right. Like, bro, I'm in sport mode, bro. That junk is not popping. That is crazy, bro. This mug is not popping, bro. In sport mode? That's insane. Sport mode is insane, bro. Guess I end the video off at the gas station and show y'all Olivia up under the light. But yeah, man, that is, bro, like, bro, that is insane, cuz. Like, Olivia not going. Olivia not going, cuz. That's crazy. Hope nobody don't bother you when I'm trying to record. You know, every time you got a call at a gas station, want to record, so another nigga in the background want to be like, hey, young blood. Man, that's a nice thing right there, man. Boy, you did your thing with that one, man. I appreciate you, bit, dog. I'm trying to talk to y'all. He still talking, man. What you recording for, man? I hear damn, cuz. Damn. Damn, man. Keep the light, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, that was an epic fail, bro. Epic fail. I don't know how Olivia would not pop, bro. That's crazy. But for all the folks that know how to, they're verbal learners, play around 3,000 RPM, man. Play around 10,000. I said 10,000. Looking at his dumb ass nigga right here. 3,000 RPMs, you know what I'm saying? Play around with it, let it flutter, stuff of that nature. What the fuck cuz got going on here? I ain't mean to cuss, but damn. Cuz finna blow me. The little hat. They got a little hat on. But yeah, man, y'all see we finna see what Olivia looking like. Had to play that off. You know what I'm saying? Cuz tripping. All them louvers. But yeah, man, Olivia dirty right now, but y'all see what we got going on, man. Show y'all the carbon fiber again. Y'all can see, man, all the way through the car, man. All the way through the car. But yeah, man, around 3,000 RPM, you know what I'm saying? Just keep letting it roll off, let the car warm up, it'll get there. I promise you she gonna do it as soon as I get off the, as soon as I turn the camera off, bro. No lie. She gonna do it. It's gonna be crazy. But, yeah, man, that's how Olivia look under that light, you know what I'm saying? Looking real kind of smooth. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Yeah, man. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you gotta go, you turn achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it, Cari. And like I also say, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, stay prayed up, man. Try to fix your bad habits, you know what I'm saying, and be better than what you was yesterday. But, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.